Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can set the path for the Python and for the Python libraries through CMD. It is important. For example, if you have more than one Python versions in your PC and you want to share the libraries in between them, or for example, if you have more than one virtual environments and you want to share the libraries in between these virtual environments, so you can achieve it by sharing the paths in between them through CMD. Now we will look an example how we can do this through CMD. So to do this, you simply press the Windows key, open your command prompt, run it as an administrator or run it as normally, whatever you like. Now I am going into my working directory, which is in C, YouTube, and now I am going to create a new directory. I will name it path example. Now I will move into this directory and now I will call my Python. And now I will try to import numpy. No module name numpy, it means I didn't have installed the numpy library for my Python. But now I am going to exit from my Python. Now I am going to create the virtual environment. For this I have to type python -m venv and my virtual environment name. I am going to name it path. Now the virtual environment is created. Next I am going to activate this environment. For this you need to type call path scripts and activate and press enter. Now it will go into the virtual environment, as you can see here. Now for example, if I load Python again inside this virtual environment and I will try to import again numpy, and I didn't have installed numpy, so I will exit from this and now I will install numpy inside this virtual environment. For this I have to type pip install numpy and press enter. Now it will installing the numpy, and now the numpy is successfully installed. For example, if I go back into my Python and now I will try to import numpy, as you can see now it's load successfully. And for example, if I will exit this, if I will move outside from the virtual environment, for this I have need to type deactivate, press enter. And now if I again call my Python and I will try to import numpy, it will say again I don't have the numpy because it is only visible in the path virtual environment. Now I want to share this numpy library of the virtual environment outside from the virtual environment. For this you can simply type set and you have to name your Python path. This is the variable name. You have to write it exactly Python path and press equal to and give the path where this library has been stored. Where it is stored, it is in C, YouTube, path example. Now I will go into the C, into the YouTube and into the path example and into the path and into the lib and into the side packages. I have to give the path for these side packages. If I want to use this numpy library, you can simply click here and copy this path and paste it here and type enter. Now if I again load my Python outside from the virtual environment and if I now try to import numpy, as you can see now numpy is imported successfully. So this is how you can share the libraries between the virtual environment and outside the virtual environment through CMD by giving the Python path. And for example, now this path is only set for this terminal. For example, if I'm going to open a new terminal and now I will go into the Python and now I will try to import numpy, it will again say I have no module name numpy, so I will close it. For to do this you have to again set the path, but this time you have to write the command set x and remove the equal to sign and now press enter. As you can see now the path is success for all the sessions. For example, if I will open the new CMD and run it as an administrator or normal, and now you can type Python and now you will import numpy. Now you can also import numpy in the new sessions. And one more thing for this, if you go into your environment variables and if you go into the environment variables, as you can see with the set x command, it will create the Python path variable, and in this variable we have stored the path. So instead of doing these things with the terminal, you can go manually into the environment variables and click on new and write the Python path here and give the path here and click OK. So it will do the same thing as you have done with the terminal, but by writing these paths here, it means you are setting the path for all the sessions. I hope you like this video. This is it for today. If you want more videos, you can hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye bye.